Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're into sewing, quilting, or creating stunning home decor, today we're showcasing the best Riley Blake fabric by the yard available right now. This is the Riley Blake National Park's Wilderness Wonders panel. A beautifully crafted cotton fabric that doesn't just look amazing but tells a story through every inch. Let's dive into why this panel is more than just fabric, it's an experience. This panel is a licensed design from the Anderson Design Group, created exclusively for Riley Blake Designs. It's part of the National Parks collection and features a vibrant showcase of all 62 national parks in the United States. Measuring 54 inches by 72 inches, it's a statement piece on its own. Whether you hang it as a tapestry, use it for a quilt centerpiece, or incorporate it into a larger sewing project, the scale and detail make it ideal for many creative applications. Made from 100% cotton, the fabric delivers that signature Riley Blake quality. It's soft, durable, and incredibly easy to work with. Whether you're an experienced quilter or just starting out, this fabric cuts cleanly, holds stitches well, and washes beautifully. Machine wash cold and tumble dry low, that's all the care it needs. And since it's cut by the yard, you'll get the full panel in one continuous piece, perfect for maintaining the full scenic view without any breaks. What truly makes this fabric stand out is the artistry. Each national park is illustrated in retro-style poster designs, giving off a nostalgic, almost vintage postcard aesthetic. The multicolor layout makes it pop visually from every angle. There's a deep respect for nature captured in this panel. From Yosemite to Zion, from the Everglades to Denali, every park is thoughtfully represented. This isn't just a pattern, it's a celebration of America's natural wonders. This panel is incredibly versatile. It's perfect as a wall hanging, especially in cabins, classrooms, or nature-themed rooms. Many quilters use it as the centerpiece of a larger national parks-themed quilt. You could also turn it into a blanket for cozy evenings or even cut the individual park panels and create custom pillows, bags, or framed art. The options are limitless when you start with a fabric that's this visually rich. If you're looking for a unique, high-quality cotton fabric that combines artistry, function, and a love for the outdoors, the Riley Blake National Park's Wilderness Wonders panel is a must-have. It's not just the best Riley Blake fabric by the yard. It's a creative journey across America's most breathtaking landscapes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've used this fabric in your projects. See you in the next review.